In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your CPU temperature here on Windows 10 or 11. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But you may notice that Task Manager actually only shows GPU temperature, not CPU. So in order to check the CPU temperature, we're actually going to be using a free app. Go ahead and open up a browser of your choice, and what you're going to want to do is actually search for HW Info. Go to the very first option up at the very top, and you'll see an option as soon as you get on this page for free download. Go ahead and select that, close out of the ad, and then select free download and choose the very top option. From here, you need to go ahead and wait for this to actually install. It may redirect you to a page that looks something like this first. Go ahead and make sure you select the one for your platform. In my case, I'm going to do the Windows one, and it'll start downloading automatically. Open it up, go through the installation process, and after doing so, go ahead and launch into the app. Once you get in the app, it should look something like this, and it might be a little confusing, but what you're going to want to do is actually look in the top left, and you're going to see an option for sensors. Go ahead and choose it and then scroll down on this page right here until you see the option for your CPU sections. You'll see your current, minimum, and maximum temperatures, but that is literally all you have to do in order to go ahead and check your CPU temperatures. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.